Hi, this is a video regarding prototype 4 in Unity, in which we have to create the island like this, in which the player stands in with some power-ups generating level by level, and with the opponents, the enemies. So the ultimate goal of this game is to escape from we have to escape from the enemies that attack us, and need to reach the power-ups. As soon as you get the power-ups and let the enemy fall from this island, you'll be promoted to the next level, and then the enemy count gets doubled and they try to attack you, and you're able to do the same thing. Try to escape and catch the power-ups. Let them fall. Let them go down. Let them knock. You have to knock them off the field, the island. That's how the gameplay should be. Let's just now run and see. We use up and down arrows for rotating. Oops. Whenever you fall off the island, the game ends. So I need to escape from. Oops. I need to escape from the enemy and try to knock them off. I'm so bad at this gameplay. I think I'll never get promoted to the next level. Oops. I have a really bad the player fall off, the enemies fall off the things, so the game ended. So this is how the play should be, and in between I have to catch the power-ups too, where I didn't. The enemy tries to knock you off, and you have to try to let the enemy go off. I hold the power-ups, and yeah, that's how the game should work. That's all for the video. Thank you.